Looking for an extremely fast and free way to scan your Windows 10 computer for viruses? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching MRT Explained. What's going on, everyone? If you want to quickly scan your computer using a built-in virus scanner that Microsoft embeds within every Windows 10 operating system, you can simply do so by following these steps. First, go ahead and open the Run program. Once this is open, type in the word MRT and press Enter. This will then open up the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. After this is open, just click on the Next button. Then, you'll come to a menu where you can either do a quick scan, a full scan, or a custom scan. Choose which option you'd like, and then hit Next. Your computer will then scan from start to finish, looking for infections in commonly infected areas within the Windows operating system. If Microsoft detects anything, you'll receive details after the scan is complete on how to proceed, but if your system is clean, you have a clean bill of health in terms of this tool's capabilities. Just as a note, you should always have a third-party antivirus program installed on your computer and not rely strictly on this program, as it is just a free utility that Microsoft allows users to have access to within the operating system itself. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.